Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make blue iced tea. This refreshing drink is not only delicious, but also visually stunning, thanks to a special ingredient. We will start by gathering our few simple components, ensuring we have everything ready for a smooth brewing process. Get ready to create a beautiful and tasty beverage that will impress your friends and family with its unique color transformation. Now, let's get to the heart of the process, brewing. For every 8 ounces of water, you will use 1 tablespoon of dried butterfly pea flowers. Bring your water to a gentle boil, then add the flowers and let them steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for extracting that beautiful blue pigment. Once steeped, carefully strain the liquid to ensure a smooth, flour-free infusion. After brewing, it is important to let your blue tea cool down. You can simply leave it on the counter until it reaches room temperature, or for a faster chill, pop it into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Once cool, it is time to customize your drink. Add your favorite sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of honey or simple syrup, and stir thoroughly. This step ensures your iced tea is perfectly balanced to your taste. Finally, for the grand finale and the most exciting part, the color transformation. Fill a glass with plenty of ice cubes, then pour your beautifully brewed and chilled blue tea over the ice, filling it about 3/4 of the way. Now, for the magic, squeeze in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Observe as the tea instantly changes from a deep blue to a stunning purple or even a lovely pink. Enjoy your refreshing and enchanting blue iced tea.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.